Frustrated with the SQL Library DLL pop-up blocking SQL Server Configuration API? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we get into the manual guide for SQL Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the SQL Library, the SQL Configuration Library. It manages unmanaged localized routines for reading and writing SQL Server instance configuration manifests, essential for localized database service initialization and tuning. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like SQL Library DLL. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the SQL library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like SQL Library DLL. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. A recommended diagnostic path for SQL library management is outlined in the software resource linked below. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for SQL library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.